What's up, folks? Come on in the building. Thanks for joining me. My name is Eric. I am with Success Over Stress. I'm your host. We're working on TradeStation EasyLanguage here. So this playlist is all about order tickets. So we'll continue this will be part two. We'll continue the first video that we did. So first things first, let's just place the order that we did from last time. And I'll try to, as I'm working on making sure that I can get you good videos that are continuous. Some of the times I will be working on the script, and hopefully I don't add anything extra that you haven't seen. But if I do, forgive me. I'll try to work on making sure that you see everything that I do, though. But like I said, some of the times I'm going through this stuff and I'm finding errors, I'm learning things, and then I'll redo the video so that you can get a seamless version. That's what happened here. All right, we're 1 minute in. Again, we're trying to do these in under 10 to 15 minutes. So welcome. This is part two. So we'll verify here. So here we're on Microsoft. We're going to go ahead and turn this off, turn this back on. And I made a couple corrections. I made a couple changes here. So let me go back to where we were before. This was this would have been a limit price. That's limit price. And verify that. Come down here. Limits OT. Okay. OT limit price. All right, so if it's the last bar on chart, then begin OT.limit price, and then we're going to do OT.send. Send that order. There we go. We're in a position. Good. Close that. All right, so what we're going to work on today, like I said, we're going to try to keep making this this playlist more and more complex. So you can essentially start with part one and then go through wherever we end up stopping at, and hopefully it'll be something comprehensive. Maybe it'll be something profitable, but I doubt it. Again, I'm not a professional advisor. I'm not a professional financial advisor. None of that. So take all this for a grain of salt, but come with me on this journey. Again, come on in the building. If you haven't liked, subscribe, share it, go ahead and do that. And then let's now get into what we're doing today is order cancels order. So on part one, we just did the OT, the order ticket. Okay, limit price. Okay, and then on part two, we're going to do a bracket order. Okay, now you can do a bracket order by just coming in here, bracket order ticket, double clicking that. It'll give you a setup where you can go ahead and fill out your properties, and you can do a target and a protection. We're going to do it a little bit the harder way, which is one that I hadn't done in quite some time, and I had to go through it. So yeah, this is fun. All right, so it is going to be an order OCO order ticket. Double click that. That brings you over here to properties. Under properties, you don't have any events for this, but you do have siblings. So you can click three dots and fill out your siblings here. You can add your different tickets here, build your tickets, do one, and then add and build another. You can have your 2 tickets, 3 tickets, 4 tickets, how many ever tickets you want, and this order counts as order ticket. Remember, when you have as many orders as you want, when one is filled, the rest of them are canceled. Okay, so keep that in mind. So we're just going to change the name of this to OCOT. And to get the siblings, we want to have one at the top and one at the bottom. So this initial ticket that we put in here was a limit price. So whenever we put that order on as we're buying to go long, we want to get that price or lower. Right? So now let's do a copy. We're going to right click this, copy it, and then right click paste. And then we're going to change that to OT stop loss. Okay, so now if we're going to use this OT, we'll rename this OT profit target. Okay, so if the profit target is going to be at the top, then it can't be a limit price because we're essentially already below that price. And that is better than that price. So the order ticket won't like it. It won't take it. So this order ticket, instead of being a limit price, it needs to be a stop price. It's going to be above us a stop price. So we're going to make it the close +1 since this is essentially a bracket. Wherever we're at on the chart, we want our stop entry to break out above. We want it to be higher, and then we want a price lower. So our price lower will be a stop loss. Let's not call it stop loss. Let's call it, instead of PT, let's call it high target and then OT low target. Okay, all right, so our high target is stop price. So we're going to go over here, and then instead of that, we're going to make that a 0, and then stop price will be modified on our last bar. Okay, and then our OT dot. Now the bottom one will be a limit price because our market will be above. Say we're right here on the chart. Our lower limit is down here, and we don't want to put in a we want to put in a limit price because we want to take this position if we hit this or are lower. Okay, so we can do a limit price there, limit price, and this is OT dot lower target. It's going to be close -1, and does one work? 1060. Let's go 20 cents. 20 cents plus 20 cents. And this is higher target, high target. And this is low target. Okay, and then instead of sending the order, the high target or the low target, instead of sending either one of those, we want to send this order cancels order ticket. But this order cancels order ticket has to have siblings. It has to have order tickets in it. So how do we get that? Well, we'll say order cancels order ticket dot siblings dot add. Now, the interesting thing that I found out about this when working with it is that if you go to the help definition, if you go to the help, it'll say siblings. It'll say that it's an object. It's the order ticket collection object containing all the order tickets in the OCO group. Now, so this siblings is not, this object is not an order ticket. It's an order ticket collection. It has multiple tickets. So if you go in here and you try to do siblings equals order ticket high, and then you do the same thing for the low. If you try to hit verify, it will give you an error. C minus, close minus. Oh, dot limit price. Okay, so your error here says that you're trying to assign an order ticket to an order ticket collection. So siblings dot add. Okay, and then we're going to add the order ticket high target, and then OCOT dot siblings dot add OT lower target dot add. Okay, now that we've done that, we have no errors. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to send this order ticket collection. OCOT dot send verify. Okay, now it didn't send, right? Or is it on? It's on, but it didn't send. So what we have to do is, like I told you on last time, you have to make sure that these order tickets, that they don't have any errors. Okay, so our higher target is going to be a stop price. Our lower target is going to be a limit price. Let's make sure that we have what we have. Symbol, stop, get account ID, buy, limit price. Our higher target should be a stop price. So that will cause it to mess up. Let's make it a stop market, and then day. All right, and then for our lower target, it will be symbol, stop, get account ID, 1 by. The bottom one is a limit price, so that's fine. Okay, and then 0, and then that's fine. Okay, so I hit verify, and then it put our bracket order in that we just created from 2 separate orders, and we combined it in a OCOT, order cancels order ticket. Now I think what I'm going to do next time is show you how to build this OCOT yourself. So part 3 will show how to build OCOT from scratch. Okay, so we're looking for this to hit to put us into position. Hit one or the other. And then again, when one of them gets hit, it should cancel the other. All right, we're 9 minutes and 47 seconds in, so we've done well. But again, remember, I'm Eric. I'm your host. Wait a minute. I'm Eric. I'm out. Peace. Now I was trying to time that so it hit it and then took us out, but it's being precocious. It's come on. There we go. Come on. Do your thing. Come on. Do your thing. Do your thing. There we go. All right, put us in there. Cancel this order down here. That's perfect, guys. All right, hope you got a little something out of this video. If you did, again, subscribe. I'm adding these to the playlist, so you ought to be able to find all this information in a linear fashion about these order tickets and orders, and then build it into a strategy as we go. Okay, I'm Eric. I'm out. Peace.